So we began with the paper museum, which I loved because it has architectural art and then a museum with paintings and then watching the paper being made, all set in a beautiful setting, really lovely.
And the building of where it was housed was also beautiful, isn't it? The
Yes,
architecture.
yes,
It's really, really good.
yes, yeah,
Yeah. And then looking at how paper was made,
yeah,
how difficult it was,
yeah,
the history of how it evolved.
yeah.
That was
And
good.
even seeing how the resources for making the paper were all around the museum.
Yeah.
Really fascinating. Yeah.
Yep, it was good. Then we traveled on to the Anhui. It was all within the Anhui County, and it
Yes.
was quite different to see all the little towns in Anhui, isn't it? How specific it was, and how it all contributed to the art of Chinese painting.
Right.
Yeah?
Right. Yes.
And we also did the ink printing, which was really fun. And then we also visited the brush factory and look at how
Yes,
they
the
make the
brush
brushes. Yeah,
factory. Yeah.
that was
Yeah.
good. And
Yeah.
we're making our own brushes. Oh, it was yeah.
And a beautiful shop where
Oh
you
yeah.
could buy the
You could go
the
mad
brushes. Yeah.
buying brushes. Yeah.
Yeah, that was lovely.
The ink
And then
writing.
we went on to the Yellow Mountain.
Yep. We went, but before we went to Yellow Mountain, we did seal carving as well. We carved names on the seal.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
And then we had coffee in a coffee shop.
Oh, right.
Yeah. that was fun having coffee in an ink stone cup.
Right.
Yeah?
Right. Yes. Yeah. And then the Inkstone
Yeah,
Museum.
Inkstone Museum. That was good.
Yeah.
And then how we had to carve. It was much easier carving inkstone than it was carving the seal. Maybe because it's bigger area.
Oh,
Yeah?
and then the herbal garden.
Oh yes.
Oh, that
We
was
make
beautiful.
a herb sachets. That was
yes,
good.
we made the sachets. Smelled so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Then
that
from
was
there, I
lovely.
think we went to the ancient town, which was nice, isn't it? The
yes,
ancient town.
yes,
And then
really
we had to
lovely.
dress up.
We dressed up. Put on the costumes and saw how it felt. Yeah.
Then we went to Yellow Mountain. Yellow Mountain was, I think, an eye opener because when we walked up, it was misty and it felt like you were moving in clouds. Very
because
mystical.
we kept going higher and higher and higher. Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah. And then from there, we went to the little villages as well, isn't it?
Right.
And
Right.
it's been a good experience. Well
And
recommended.
the hotels have been beautiful. So nice. So just perfect. And then of course the food.
The food. Yeah.
Really, really an adventure and all delicious, really. And healthy and really good. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm so glad I went and I met such nice people.
And then I learned about landscape painting, painting fir trees, much better than what I did before. And that was good. And we had a good teacher.
Yes, yeah. And we had Tai Chi.
And we had Tai Chi. I think that was the epitome of everything. Having Tai Chi.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well worth it.